Hello children, welcome to the class. Today is Saturday, so we are doing with the activity. Already have finished the snow puffy painting. Today we will go and see the snowman. See children, you can see here tree. For that crayons, green color, apply it completely. Okay, and then as shown in the picture, fill the color, and next you have to put the glue. Okay, wherever has is shown in the picture. Okay, first ఇలా కొంచెం glue apply చేసేసుకొని, and in the kit already they have given in the back side of your book in the cover they have given the kit, but only little cotton is there which is not sufficient for the whole craft work today. So I bought some cotton. In the same way you also see, look here, only some little cotton you take and paste it like this. Okay children, in the same way for the snowman also you need to put it.
Children, generally this snowman which it is resembling our Christmas. It makes us to remind about the Christmas. Not in our country, but in US and all we can see the snowfall during the Christmas season, and they enjoy the festival very well. How do we celebrate Diwali and Sankranti here? The same way, and Dasara also the same way they enjoy this season. And everywhere the trees, it will be like this only, snow everywhere, and they play with the snowfall. With that they make the snowball and they play. So as Christmas is ahead, they have given this one. Okay, now Shravani teacher is making the snowman. The cotton they have given is very less, so if you have cotton in your home from the medical box, you can take it and spread the cotton like this. Don't dump it as if alane paste cheyakoddu. Look at here how teacher is making it into very thin, and then you need to paste it. Okay, look at there how she is doing the thin one. See, if you pull it over here and there, it becomes very thin. How teacher is doing, see. Don't remove the cotton and as if you dump it children. Don't do like that, and don't waste also. That is also main. So Christmas is going to come, that's why they are giving with the snow, but unfortunately we don't have the snowfall, so we are making with the cotton at least, and we are being very happy. Winter is starting slowly. November has come now, winter is starting. And after that teacher has cut already some this red buttons, and for nose also, and black bindi. If you have your mama's bindi red color also, you can keep it. Okay, teacher has already made all these things. This triangle if you keep that ulta, and these are the red buttons with the glaze paper she has made. Look at there, first she is keeping the buttons. Some people will just insert the carrot on that. It will be very funny to look. You can watch it in YouTube or Google it, just know about and how do they play, how do they enjoy. It will be so good children. Even if we don't have here, we have that snowfall, what is it called as, nearby Tank Bund it is there for snow. For a small room will be there, it is completely made up of snow icing only. There you can go and play during the summer season, but not now, and that too after corona, not now. Okay, the teacher is making the lips. See, you need to take the glue and do, not lips. Now she is making the children. What will happen is, if you keep the cotton here over here directly, it sticks to your hand. So on the paper you need to stick, and then that paper you stick it here. Okay, I am saying once again, don't keep the glue on the cotton to apply. On the paper you do, and then you apply this. Where is the lip? Teacher is. See what happened, why we have paused the video is we made all the buttons and nose everything, but it flew away. We don't know where it is and we were searching. So while you are doing, you keep all the parts safely in a plate, children, or in a small bowl, and then you start doing. We kept it aside and it flew away since it is so small. Now teacher 2, again I am repeating, you need to paste the glue on the paper, not directly on the cotton, it will stick. Otherwise let your hand dry and after that you can do little by little. See, even now also it is coming. Wow, very beautiful. Nice or not? Even you can put cap also for this. Okay, that's all. We have copied this, but on your own creativity also you can decorate this snowman. Okay children, thank you, bye bye, enjoy your Saturday.